Eric Stromquist at Realcomm Ibicon, man. Finally got a chance to catch up with you, man. CyberPower, Dan Nierowitz.
Nerowitz, close.
Finally got a chance to catch up with you, Dan Nierowitz. Dan, man, thanks for taking a few minutes to speak with us.
Thank you, Eric, and looking forward to it. Tell you a little about what we're doing here is CyberPower Systems USA, and we build power management solutions for enterprise, consumer, small office, home office. And we brought some of that technology we've accumulated over the last 20 years, and we've packed it down into some small devices for control panels. And it's something we've been working on for a while, and anxious to show it off.
Well, sweet. Well, listen, I think we all take power for granted, right? There's a lot more to it than just running electricity. So what makes your products kind of unique?
Well, we're concentrating on DC. We know all the logic runs on DC, and we want to provide that smooth, clean power right at the edge. And that's where all the processing is taking place now. That's where analytics is, and that's where all the data is born. So we want to stay close to the edge and provide the type of solutions you'd find in a typical data center and do that right at the edge.
Because if you don't have the power right and you start blipping, you're going to lose data points and all kinds of stuff, right?
It all runs on power.
It does. Well, talk a little bit about the company. How long have you guys been around? And obviously, you've been in a lot of different industries regarding power. And
yeah, we've got a long pedigree in enterprise for sure. We have a lot of rack-mounted equipment that we've been servicing the IT industry for 20 years. So we've accumulated a lot of knowledge, and we're applying that to this space. We're happy to be in the automation and integration world, and that's been my world for the last 30 years.
Yeah.
So bringing that knowledge and background that I have in the community that's around us here at Realcomm Ibicon, and showing them what we have and the solutions to their problems.
Why don't you guys have some buy-in with some major players? I mean, companies like Hepta Systems, for example, are big proponents of yours, and so you've already got buy-in. So I mean, but what's the adoption rate so far, and what's the potential for you guys here?
Well, the BAS UPS our Edge UPS, that's just being released right now. So there's been a lot of anticipation leading up to it, especially since the ASHRAE event, AHR show, and where we introduced our final samples. And now our product is on a boat, and it's going to be trucked to the warehouse, and we'll be shipping it out later this month. So
Stromquist Company has some of that in our warehouse. We're excited about it, so it's going to be good.
Early adopters, and we're really grateful for that. And your product will be on its way soon.
Appreciate it. Well, listen, you might show us some of the stuff.
Sure. Yeah. Okay, yeah, Eric, I mentioned our rack mount equipment. This is our UPS, a typical version of our UPS that you'd find in a rack in enterprise or a small business, a data server room, that type of thing. And then a PDU, which is switched to metered by outlet, and that's important in this industry to make it fully integratable. So we can turn servers on and off if necessary. We know the status and how much electricity they're kilowatt-wise, how many watts they're drawing. So what we've done is we've taken the technology with the UPS and we shrunk it down into a DIN rail mount UPS. And this has 3 power outputs, 24 DC volt, and two outputs, 5 watts each, and one at 24 watts, and that'll enable you to run a controller and 2 peripheral devices. It'll handle power from 90 to 264 volts AC, 50 to 60 hertz, so it's a true worldwide solution. Speaks SNMP v3 to the controller and gives status updates on the status of the battery and power in, power out, such. And this has a 6.5 amp hour lithium ion battery in it. Very lightweight, very powerful. It'll run those devices for 4 hours at 80% load.
So man, Dan, that is absolutely fantastic. What's the website, best way for people to get more information about you guys?
CyberPowerSystems.com, and they can look at all our products are listed, all the data sheets, all the technical information you'd need to specify a product and find out where you can purchase it is there. We go through distributors nationwide, worldwide, so you can find our products anywhere online.
I know, and you guys are also part of Controls Group North America, some of the top distributors in the country.
We are. I think we're the latest preferred vendor for CGNA, and we're real proud of that. And we're getting a lot of reach out from some of the other membership looking to bring our products in store. So we're excited about that relationship.
Very, very cool. Dan, man, thanks for taking a few minutes to talk with us, buddy.
Thank you, Eric.
All right. Perfect.